All right, what's up? Let's check out the scans today. So far, what I'm seeing here is we got MINM for a day 3 momentum. Well, not day 2 wasn't really that hot, but I guess pre-market was momentum. But day 3, maybe we'll see another move today on MINM. We did break back over. Remember, we had this previous, resistance here that we drew out around 690, 680, or sorry, 590 or 590, 588, 589, somewhere around there in this area. We did break out yesterday, but we couldn't hold these levels. We flushed all the way back down to 489 was the low of yesterday. So this is bearish before today. And then once we pop back up, looks like yesterday evening, like maybe about 8 or 9 p.m. Eastern time, we popped back up to 660, 670. We're back over this resistance point. For coming back over this resistance point, you have to assume that it's bullish, because now price is closing previously where it could not close above a resistance point. So now looks like this morning we got another continuation move up to the previous high. We even broke out that previous high yesterday, which is good. And we're consolidating here right under an $8 psychological resistance level. So very nice to see. Baja Express. That's funny. So break of 8, potential break of 8, maybe pre-market. Looks like it's bouncing here. Maybe I'll take a couple stabs at it pre-market. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. It looks like we're coming strong off this low. So maybe if I can grab an entry. MINM. Let's see if I can grab an entry here for $8 here. I'll keep it tight. Small size to start. Good morning, guys. Good morning. See if we can catch a quick dip here. And let's see, maybe 72-ish. Should be, right around 90 EMA, previous 1 minute high, pivot point. And then we can maybe see that break of 88. Come on, a little bit lower. If not, I have to jump in for the breakout or bailout trade of 788. So it's either I'm trading low or high. Coming down low again. I'll send it out on the bid, just since there's a 4-cent spread. Wait, maybe not. Let's see, let me buy 80 there. Stop at 76. Coming down out at 76. Let's get back in there at 75. Bids at 76, showing 79 on ask. Let's see if we can add into this winner, if we can push up a little bit. Nope, coming back down. I'm going to cut that one for break even. Nope, maybe not. Let me get back in here for the break. See if we can get a continuation. Sloppy, man. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Not good for me. Now I'm back in at 84. Now I got to be patient here. See if we can get this breakout. Ah, man. I should have just held that initial entry. It came down to 75 and then it instantly popped back up. Now I'm trying to get out here on the ask if I can. Shit. Well, that was a little sloppy on my end, but that bounce did hold. Ah, man, that bounce did hold. I got a little faked out there. So this is why we're small size to start. Do I buy this dip? I was thinking we can just get that quick 1 minute pullback and then this candle will just go like this, straight up. Straight up. $12 loss to start the day. Okay, let's see. Break of this pivot. Wow, look at this fucking fill, man. What the fuck was that? This has got to be kidding me. All right, let's see if I can get in there at 90. 90. Oh, there. Bids drop again. Let's get back up, please. Be patient on this one. See if we got some volume added into that. Come on. Come on. Push a little higher. Push, 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 push. Come on. It's taking too long. Market's not strong today. Like, what is this, man? Come on. Alright, I'm done. I'm done before I lose too much. Fuck. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, max loss pre-market. That's it for me, pre-market. Down 55 right now. Here's my P&L, 55. I'm just getting absolute smoked on MINM here. Like, I'm buying for the push. I want to see the push, and we don't get the push, and then the bids drop. So I'm keeping my losses tight here. And look at this. This is exactly like... It's alright, I'm still a small red now. If I can keep it tight. If I know now that the market is a little bit on the slower end today, a little bit on the weaker end, you can take that information with me here for the open and keep it tight. Keep it tight, keep a small size until I can get going in the right direction. That's what's important. A couple other things here popping up on the scanner. INBS. Let's check out INBS. This one has potential. Yeah, what is Q2 revenue? Second quarter 6-month revenue results. That's not the best. Looks like market doesn't even like it. So we'll put an alert here at the high in case it does curl up. And you have Aroma hitting the scan. This one we traded before. Recent IPO dumps. We can go here through the 180 day, but yeah, we had that recent IPO. It dumps. We were trading it in this area here and trading it on this day here. The kind of dead cat bounce. Then we fade even more, and low float, cheap stock now. We'll see if we can get something on it. On a day like today, it doesn't seem very hot. My goal right now is probably just to get green at this point. Forget about profit goals. I just want to be over into the green. because it looks like MIM is not working out. Maybe at the open we'll get like, you know, consolidation like this, and then maybe a curl for another test. But knowing how weak it was, it's gonna be very hard to be, you know, aggressive, knowing that I know it, that it's been weak. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Looks like the overall market also took a little bit of a hit again. We had a nice bounce in the overall market. We had a nice flush here, and then a bounce all the way back up to the highs. Now we're flushing back down again on some pre-market volume here. It's got to be some news of some sort. Yeah, so you had unemployment. Unemployment is staying low. Yeah, so it's down on the unemployment. Oh, looks like, well, since the alerts don't go through, I didn't even get alerted about INBS. The alerts only go through after the market open. An RBO, maybe. Let's check out an RBO. So I've been stuck in this range here for a while. Maybe we'll attempt to break out of this range. If we do successfully break out of the range and close high, the potential we could see a squeeze on it. Because it's been, this is what they call soaking. So soaking means they're just kind of accumulating shorts without ever squeezing them out or having them take profit. Is it kind of a way to explain it? Because shorts are adding here at the highs, they haven't seen that candle to either squeeze them out, or they haven't seen that candle flush for them to take profit or for them to add into a winner. So we could go either way here. We can squeeze out the shorts, or we could flush, or both. We've seen it all the time. You squeeze out and then you finally flush. That also happens as well. And also for the reverse, the dump, shorts cover, and then you finally get that squeeze. Anyone who doesn't cover or wants to add, they're getting squeezed out. So it can go either way there. And then also to the long side, you could have some longs maybe accumulating off the lows, and they haven't seen that red flush candle to wash them out, but they also haven't seen that continuation move either. So so this is what we call we're soaking, accumulating positions. So it's going to seem like today we're either going to go one way up or down. And the move could be violent. The more it soaks like this, the more you'll get that volatility when it picks a direction. Are you trading with hotkeys or the mouse? I was trading with the mouse for a couple years, but past year and a half, I switched over to hotkeys, and they seem to be working better. But I was profitable with just the mouse. But yeah, I do use hotkeys. Definitely just a lot more smoother experience. Yeah, DAS hotkeys. I think they're very nice, the DAS hotkeys. I did use Thinkorswim hotkeys as well, but the DAS hotkeys allows me to. The DAS hotkeys allows me to sell half to scale out a little easier, or sell quarter, because on Thinkorswim I'd have to change the number in the order box for me to sell half. So it was just taking too much time. And by the time I changed the order, the stock could already flush on me, and then I have the wrong order in there, then I got to fix it. And then by that time I fix that, I'm stuck in a halt down. It gets a little bit more sloppy, is what I'm trying to say. With the DAS hotkeys, it's real clean. Shift Q to buy, Shift W to sell, Shift E to sell half, Shift R to sell a quarter. That's how I set it up. Sometimes I wonder why I even try to trade pre-market, because now here I'm sitting red and I shouldn't even be trading pre-market. So this kind of broke a rule a little bit, but I thought it looked good. Thought it looked good here for that potential break of 8, but it wasn't as strong as I thought. But at least I'm keeping it tight. Yes, INBS. It looks like INBS seems to be the winner so far. So INBS. The only thing I don't like about it is the news. I don't even think the news is that good, but the market's giving price action. Should probably trade it, right? So INBS. It's a beautiful price range. I love $3 stocks, $2 stocks, $4 stocks. In that area, beautiful price range, because it keeps the spread a little tight. It's a little easier for me, in my opinion, to manage my risk. Looks like a 2 to 3 cent spread, which is good. All right, looks like we got something going here. Looks like we got something going. There's a potential I can get green today. It's a potential to get green. Doesn't look like we have any offerings looming overhead. We have a point, so we have 800,000 float, which is very small. It's less than 1 million share float. Oh, this is beauty. This could be good. This could be good. We just had a reverse split. We have the recent high at 385 on the reverse split, so I think we're definitely going to break 385 here. Not financial advice, but might see a pullback first, which would be nice. Maybe if we can hold out from this breakout to the open, then we could see a more explosive move, but it could just go here. And 385, are we going to double top? If we see a pullback, I think it'll be a great pullback entry, not financial advice. Very nice call out there, Ruskovden. I think that's how you spell it. All right, we got that breakout there by 1 cent. Let's see, get a pullback here to 360s. Wow, look at that bid there. I'm gonna buy and then risk the bid. That bid. Come on, let's see a push here. Looks like that bid is still there at 75. So I just front run that bid, and then my backstop was that bid, that big bid that we saw on the level 2. You guys won't see it because I can't stream Dash Trader. They don't like when you stream the live data from Dash Trader. So there's that bid again. Looks like we might sell into it. If we sell into it, we might get a little bit of a flush there. I'll take it again since we're holding. Oh, no, wait, we're coming down here. Let it flush, let it flush, let it flush. Wow. Wow, I should have done bigger on that one. Break of 4. Wow. Okay. Oh. Wow. I got a 10-cent trade there, and we're still going. I should have held that. All right, INBS here at the open. Good luck, guys. Hit that thumbs up button on the way out. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. INBS is taking off here. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to sit tight here for the open. Wow. Just wow. trading is risky, even though we're getting this action. Let's pull up the disclaimer. All information is for educational entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed professional. This is not legitimate investment advice. Day trading is risky. Most people lose money. Their results are not typical, and there's no guarantee you'll have similar results. Beware of scammers and impersonators. I will never ask for money or personal information. There have been reports of fake Triad trading accounts trying to scam. So be careful with that. I have no authority over your decisions. There's no guarantee that you'll have similar results by watching my videos. But INBS looking pretty decent here. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So we just had that reverse split down in here. So float is down less than $1 million. And what we know about recent reverse split stocks is they tend to publish news recently right after the reverse split, and which will squeeze out and make a decent move, and then they'll get ready for to sell in their offering into that spike. But I don't think there's going to be an offering today because they don't have an in-progress offering already on Dilution Tracker. But you know, it's never 100%. But the daily chart looks like we're at 444. We topped out, so it looks like we have this window here. So what we know about a window is there's little resistance between here because there's no previous price action history. So we got room up here to 550. So 550, and then we have potential resistance. So we're coming right in between this window here, so we could see some more continuation here. So good luck, guys. I hope you guys get green, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.